What's up, YouTube and the world? We're working on my 2004 Toyota Sequoia. I saved that one from the junkyard, so I decided to do two 15s. I went with the American base 15-inch xmax monsters dual 1-ohms. So I'm just unboxing it. This is the second purchase from Big Jeff Audio. Even though I had a problem with one of the subs brand new out of the box, I still went with those guys. Even though it was a positive purchase and a negative experience, putting it together, it turned into a positive experience in the end. And sometimes shit like that happens, you know. And I spent like $1,200 with him, and it took probably 4 weeks to get everything straightened out or something like that. But big deal. I stayed with it. They stayed with it, and it all worked out in the end. So here we go. Triple boxed. I just opened up. This is the spec sheet on it, and we are at a 15 D1s. It looks like max power is 8,000 watts. 20. I don't even know what Tesla M is. I'm not even sure. Right, dual 1-ohm. Yeah, dual 1-ohm. FS Hertz is 30.78. Let's get down to xmax was 22.5, plus or minus almost another inch. So it's pretty cool. 8,000 watts, 666. I also ordered a box, 6 cubic foot dual ported box, but I'm going to do a separate video from that from A-Trend. So let's get this out of the box without me breaking my back. Ugh. So that's the size of my hand, right? I have a pretty big hand. You can actually see how massive this subwoofer is. Massive motor. It's the same setup as the 12-inch that I got. And those things aren't super loud, but they're clean and it hits super low. I have a 12K tar amp on it, and I just turned it down just to be conservative. So I have two 15-inch American base xmax monsters, carbon fiber cone, nice surround. 2 of these going in my Sequoia project. Stay tuned.